Chickens stop laying eggs for various reasons. Chicken may lay fewer eggs due to light, stress, poor nutrition, molting, or age. Some of these reasons are natural responses, while others can be fixed with simple changes and egg laying can return to normal. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why your chickens are stopping laying eggs. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button in order to be the first one to enjoy more videos like this. Please watch the entire video in order to get the knowledge contained in this video. Reason number 1. Daylight. The first and most common cause of decrease in egg production is light hours. Chicken need a minimum of 16 hours of daylight to sustain strong egg production. Without supplemental light, they may naturally stop laying eggs due to hormonal response as the day gets shorter. Chickens lay best when provided with at least 16 hours of daylight, whether natural, artificial, or a combination of the two. Some farmers use winter as a period of rest for their chickens without supplemental heat. If you are looking for consistent egg production through the winter period, provide additional light to encourage your bird to keep laying. Reason number 2. Chicken house environment. If chickens are stressed, egg production may suffer. Stress comes in many forms: predators, overcrowding, aggressive chicken, loud noises, too much heat or cold, poor nutrition, and illness. Check the environment to be sure there are no stressors in the chicken house. Here are the techniques to keep your chicken house free from stress. Number 1. Use predator-proof barrier like galvanized wire and metallic screens on the doors and windows. This will prevent the entry of predators in your house. Number 2. Provide at least 4 square feet of the indoor space and 5 to 10 square feet of outdoor space per bed. Number 3. Provide 1 nesting box per 4 chicken with clean and dry bedding material. Number 4. Separate chickens when they start to fight with each other in order to reduce the chance of injuries in your bed. Also, keep temperature comfortable in the chicken house but not drastically different than outdoor temperature. Chickens, especially cold-tolerant breeds, can withstand winter temperature without supplemental heat. Reason number 3. Chicken nutrition. Another reason for decrease in egg production is over-treating and over-supplementing chickens. Added chemicals and scraps can dilute the nutrient in the complete layer feed, so the chicken is less able to provide eggs consistently. For chickens to lay eggs, they need 38 nutrients, of which calcium is the most critical for laying eggs. Chickens must consume 4 grams of calcium each day. Reason number 4. Molting. At around 18 months of age and above, chickens go through the period called molting, which is defined as a period of feather loss and regrowth. It is usually occur in dry season and associated with decrease in egg production. Molting chickens redirect their energy from laying eggs to growing feathers. This results in a brief drop in egg production. To help your chickens in this period, provide them with high protein feed. Molting usually lasts at the age of 8 to 16 weeks depending on the type of bird. Reason number 5. The age of chicken. Chicken begin laying eggs between 18 to 20 weeks of age and can lay eggs as long as her reproductive lifetime allows. Over the course of chicken lifetime, egg production will peak at about 250 to 208 eggs during their first year of laying eggs. After that, the number of eggs produced each year declines until she retires laying. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please subscribe to support this journey of sharing farming knowledge to other people. Thank you for choosing Dr. Felix Miero.